Hello students, how are you? So this is Sargent and today I am here with your second chapter, Introduction to MS Access 2010. So this is this is a chapter or where we can manage or we can record data like how we use to keep our data in MS Excel. So in Excel what happens whenever we keep our data like particular like the enrollment of students or our grocery list or official data. That time what happen when we need the same data, we have to search, and sometime whenever we need it, it take uh, a long time to get that data what we have entered already. So that's why this MS Access 2010 is used to keep the data or this record in a particular way. Okay, so this MS Access 2010 help us to keep our data in a fixed field. That means in a fixed area. So you can see here that first page of our MS Excel Access 2010. Okay, so it is called data management system. Okay, so this kind of application what we call it as a data management system. So where we can see this application in Microsoft Office. Okay, so when we when we open that Microsoft Office 2010, inside there we can see this MS Access 2010, and after opening it, what we have to do, we have to create our database system, and then we can record our data. So this is your first introduction class only. So in next videos we will go through lab activity. So let's know about this chapter through your book. So if you go through your book, you can see that a database is an organized collection of data. So in MS Excel, what we do, we organize collected data. That means our students' data or any official data or any kind of whatever record we have. If we have to keep in our computer to access easily or to share anyone very in easy method, in that way we keep the data in MS Excel 2010. Okay, so so how we can start it, or where uh, how we can do keep this data in this Access 2010. About that in upcoming days I will tell you through this. I will tell you through others videos in lab. So this is your first class. Okay, for that second chapter. So you can see here this page of MS Excel 2010. So where we have to create a new database or a new page where we will write. So in here what happened? In Excel what we can see that there are so many columns or rows or these rows. Yes. So but here what happened? In if we selected 3 or 5 table, the same table only later it reflect in our database system or in our record. Okay, so these other cells or other table will not show here. That means in Excel we can see the whole page, but here it is a very systematic and easy way to keep data. So if we once start it, so you will find very easy to do this application. Okay, so you go through your book once and read, utilize your time. So in the next videos we will go through our this MS Access 2010, and this is the first this second chapter is only about that Access 2010, and is by this third chapter we will know how to create, how to save this kind of database. So we will learn in upcoming days through our lab activity. So till then, you all take care of your health. Okay, so do study, don't waste your time, and be safe. Okay, so have a good day to all. Thank you.